Indoor comfort is one of the most important aspects of any home, and your windows play a bigger role in that than many homeowners realize. If your current windows are outdated, drafty, or inefficient, they can make it difficult to maintain a consistent and comfortable indoor environment. For homeowners in Fort Worth, where temperatures can fluctuate and summers can be intense, upgrading to replacement windows can significantly improve everyday comfort. One of the most noticeable improvements comes from better temperature control. Older windows often allow air to leak in and out, making it harder to keep your home cool during hot Fort Worth summers. Replacement windows are designed with advanced sealing and insulation features that help prevent unwanted heat from entering. This keeps your indoor space cooler and more stable, reducing the need for constant adjustments to your thermostat. Energy efficiency goes hand in hand with comfort. Modern replacement windows often include features like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These components work together to reduce heat transfer, helping maintain a consistent indoor temperature. When your windows are performing efficiently, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, which not only improves comfort but can also lead to lower energy bills over time. Another major benefit is the elimination of drafts. Drafty windows can create uncomfortable hot or cold spots in your home, especially near window areas. This uneven temperature distribution can make certain rooms less enjoyable to use. Replacement windows provide a tight, secure fit that eliminates these drafts, allowing for a more balanced and comfortable indoor climate throughout your home. Noise reduction is another way replacement windows improve comfort. In a busy area like Fort Worth, outside noise from traffic, neighbors, or daily activity can disrupt your peace. Modern windows with multiple panes and improved sealing help block unwanted sound, creating a quieter and more relaxing environment inside your home. This can make a big difference in how you experience your living space. Improved natural light is another advantage. Replacement windows are often designed with larger glass areas and slimmer frames, allowing more sunlight to enter your home. This creates brighter, more inviting spaces without sacrificing energy efficiency. Natural light can enhance your mood and make your home feel more open and comfortable throughout the day. Humidity control is also an important factor in indoor comfort. Older windows with poor seals can allow moisture to enter your home, especially during humid conditions. This can lead to a sticky, uncomfortable environment. Replacement windows create a better barrier against outside air, helping maintain balanced indoor humidity levels and contributing to a fresher living space. Ease of operation adds to overall comfort as well. Windows that are difficult to open or close can be frustrating and limit your ability to control airflow. Modern replacement windows are designed for smooth, effortless operation, making it easy to adjust ventilation when needed. Whether you want to let in fresh air or keep your home sealed, having functional windows makes a difference. Durability is another key benefit. High-quality replacement windows are built to withstand Fort Worth's changing weather conditions, including heat, sunlight, and occasional storms. This ensures long-term performance and reduces the need for frequent repairs. Knowing your windows will continue to perform well over time adds to your peace of mind and overall comfort. Aesthetic improvements also play a role. New windows can instantly update the look of your home, both inside and out. A clean, modern appearance can make your living space feel more enjoyable and welcoming. When your home looks better, it often feels better too. Finally, proper installation is essential to achieving all of these benefits. Even the best windows won't perform effectively if they are not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a precise fit, proper sealing, and optimal performance, maximizing the comfort and efficiency of your new windows. In the end, replacement windows offer a wide range of benefits that go beyond appearance. For homeowners in Fort Worth, they provide improved temperature control, reduced noise, better airflow, and enhanced energy efficiency. By upgrading your windows, you're not just improving your home. You're creating a more comfortable and enjoyable living environment for years to come.